Bro. Good basics. Video mo amigan. Level 1. Level 2. Level 3. Uy.
Anak kaon.
Kaon!
Usba.
Ah,
Usba.
isba! Kuya! Ay, gago! Tangina mo! Ay, sorry, Lord! Ay, bakit ko?
Naliamig! Naliatol! Naliatol! Grabe pa si Karon niya!
Malapos balon hijau.
And now for your palpebral conjunctiva. Can you open your eyes, please?
Putlagis na yan, yung isang customer namin, foreigner. Gusto niya i-video ko yung problema ng motor niya kasi iniwan niya lang. So ito yung motor niya. Shout out kay Sir Oliver. Sir Oliver, pipilitin ko yung malupitang English para sa'yo. This is the problem of your motorbike, sir. If we... Tanga na, paano ba English nyo na? When we remove the air cleaner, we saw yung air cleaner, sir, like this. It's messy. Putang ina, ang hirap naman. Okay, that's why you're experiencing bad riding condition because your air cleaner is not good enough. Okay, this is number one problem. Then you heard something noise. This is the problem also. The bearing, transmission bearing is a problem. So we need to replace the bearing and the belt, as you say, like that.
Boyo, aring ipatila ko si mo. Yung ako lang nila nga loto sa buong Pilipinas.
Champurado.
Champuraset.
Ganito magbuwag ng V's. Manood kayo. Oh, ganito. Ito, sako. Ganyan. Sahod mo ganyan. Oh.
Kago ako.